Here's a crazy fact. People form an opinion about you within the first 7 seconds of meeting you. Yep, before you even finish saying hi, they've already decided whether they like you or not. The good news? Psychology says you can hack those first impressions. And I'm about to give you 10 habits that make people like you instantly. You know how sometimes you walk into a room and instantly click with someone, and other times you feel like you're invisible, or worse, that they've already judged you? That's because our brains are wired to make snap decisions. Psychologists call it the thin slicing effect. Our brain quickly picks up microsignals like body language, tone of voice, and even how we make eye contact. But here's the thing. Liking someone isn't just about luck. It's about small, repeatable habits that make people feel safe, valued, and comfortable around you. 1. Smile genuinely, not the forced say cheese smile. A real smile activates the orbicularis oculi muscle around your eyes, and humans are wired to trust that. 2. Use their name. Dale Carnegie wasn't joking when he said, "A person's name is the sweetest sound to them." Use it naturally in conversation. 3. Mirror their energy. Subtly match their tone, pace, and gestures. It signals similarity, which boosts likability. 4. Give micro compliments. Instead of vague "you're nice," say, "I love how you explain things. It's so clear." Specificity shows you're paying attention. 5. Keep open body language. No crossed arms, no hunched shoulders. Lean slightly forward. It signals interest. 6. Listen 80%, talk 20%. People love great listeners. Ask follow-up questions instead of turning the conversation back to yourself. 7. Find common ground quickly. Whether it's music taste, a favorite food, or a Netflix series, shared interests trigger bonding chemicals like oxytocin. 8. Give warm eye contact, not a creepy stare. About 60 to 70% eye contact makes you seem confident but not intimidating. 9. Share small vulnerabilities. Opening up about a small personal story makes you relatable and trustworthy. 10. End on a positive note. People remember the last moment more than the middle. Leave with a smile or a warm comment. Think about that one friend who everyone loves. Maybe they remember your coffee order, or they notice when you've had a haircut. It's not magic. It's micro behaviors that make you feel seen and valued. Even celebrities use this. Barack Obama famously remembers people's names years later. Taylor Swift makes fans feel like they're the only person in the room. That's the power of intentional likability. Here's where a lot of people mess up. They try so hard to be liked that they overthink every move. The truth? People can sense when you're performing. So instead of trying to force likability, focus on being present. Light bulb quick trick. Before entering a conversation, take one deep breath and think, "I'm here to connect, not to impress." That small mindset shift instantly makes you more natural and magnetic. Author Maya Angelou once said, "People will forget what you said, people forget what you did, but people will never forget how you made them feel." So here's my challenge this week. Pick 3 of these habits and use them on everyone you meet. You might be shocked at how quickly people start gravitating toward you. Pause, lean in, and if you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it so your friends can start winning hearts instantly too.